All right, what's going on, y'all? Sean of Math Swap Tutoring here, and here is our challenge. Square root of 81 times the square root of 27 times the square root of 9 equals what? Now, note that these are nested, which means, one is inside of the other is inside of the other. So we want to make sure we pay attention to that. It's not just three separate ones being multiplied, if that makes sense. So let's work from the inside out. Now, I will say you can actually go ahead and take the square root of a couple of these, but I'm just going to opt to not worry about that right now. I'm just going to do it from the inside out. So this becomes, so this is the square root of 81 times the square root of 27. Now, square root of 9 is 3, so it's 27 times 3. Now, 27 times 3 is 81, so that's 81 times the square root of 81. And we know the square root of 81 is 9. Okay, so that's going to be 81 times 9. Now, 81 times 9 is 729, which you can take the square root of. But if you don't know what that is off the top, then you can just do this. You can do, that's a 9 times 9 times 9. Or in other words, 9 times 9 times 3 times 3. Or that's a 9 out and a 3 out, which leaves us with 27. But keep in mind that the square root of 81 times 9, or 81 times 9 is 729, and the square root of that is 27. Let me know if you got this answer. And if you got a different way, let me know as well. Make sure you like and subscribe, and have a good day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.